Welcome to our company. Our motto is to create jewelry with life and love. Our factory has 90 years of high-quality jewelry manufacturing experience. Our jewelry designers and mold makers, they have at least 5 years working experience. Our core crafting team have 10 years working experience. With all this, we can convert your unique design to a real beautiful product.
This is our dream team. We collect the ideas from customers and then we make it to a specific drawing. From here, our people, they are doing the wax injection procedure. These are the semi-auto wax injection machines. You can see these wax rings. Very beautiful. And this is the auto wax injection machine. See these metal trees after lost wax casting. These silver rings with little diamonds on it, which are very beautiful. The next step with these building procedures are modifying